we have fractions. Let me start with the types of fraction. We have fractions. Let me start with types of fractions that we have. First, we have proper fraction, and second, we have improper fraction, and thirdly, we have mixed fraction. How are we going to recognize these fractions if you see them? If you have a fraction is when you have a number dividing a number. 1 over 2. A proper fraction, we have, before we can even, we have two layers in fraction. We have the upper and we have the lower. The up number is called the numerator. We call it numerator. And the down number, we call it denominator. When the up number is small and the down number is big, it is known as proper fraction. When the up number is small and the down number is big, that is what is called a proper fraction. Example of proper fraction is 1 over 2. This one is small and this is big. Let me give you more examples of proper fraction. We have 7 over 8 is an example of proper fraction. We have 3 over 5 is an example of proper fraction. Name it. When the up number is small and the down number is big, it is a proper fraction. Now I want to move to improper fraction. Improper fraction is when the up is big, the up number is big, and the down number is small. Let me give you an example. 5 over 3. The number on top is bigger than the number below. So the number up here is big and the down number is small. Here it is improper fraction. Another example, 8 over 5 is another example of improper fraction. 7 over 3 is an example of improper fraction, and so on and so forth. You can write as many improper fractions as you like. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is when you have a whole number beside your fraction. Whole number beside a proper fraction. When you have a whole number beside a proper fraction, it is a mixed fraction. For instance, or for example, you have 7 whole number 1 over 2. This number here is the whole number. 7 is the whole number, while 1 over 2 is the fraction. The whole number mixing with fraction, improper fraction, is called mixed fraction. Another example is 2 whole number 1 over 3. Another example, you have these are examples of mixed fraction. Now you can convert improper fraction, you can convert from improper fraction to mixed fraction. As well as you can also convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Let's look at conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction first. We want to convert 7/3 to mixed fraction. 7/3 here, the type of fraction of 7/3 here is improper fraction. 7/3 is improper fraction. And how are we going to convert to mixed fraction? We'll say 3 will go in 7. How many times? 3 will go in 7 2 times. That is 6. It will go in 7 2 times 6. Remainder 1. It will remain 1 all over, you now put 3. Another example. (15/2). We want to convert to a mixed fraction. We are converting to mixed fraction here. 2 will go in 15. It will go 7 times. The remaining 1 all over, we now put the 2. Another example. (25/7). We have 7 will go in 25. How many times? It will go 3 times. It will go 3 times. Remainder 4/7. Another example. Three will go in 50. 3 in 5, it will go 1 in 20. 6. Remainder 2/, it will remain 2 all over 3.